What up, YouTube? This is CHARGEDiOS, and today we're going to look at something called On Live. Now, I'm currently on the OUYA, as you can see, but this service works for pretty much any device. It works for Mac, Windows, computers. It works for a few other devices. So it's called On Live, and there's a website for it. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description for you guys so you can get this downloaded. And you're going to need to download the APK in order to add this to your OUYA. It's a really useful service. It gives you a lot more options on the OUYA especially, rather than to just have the games on the OUYA's Discover store. So you just basically make a free account. You can use the website to do this if it's easier for you. I had a couple problems signing up on the particular application on the OUYA, but it allowed me to sign up via the website, so I just went ahead and signed up there and then came back and logged in using the information. Now the sound is a little spotty, and but it's after it catches on, it starts to perform really well. It just takes a few seconds, get everything running, and then pretty much it runs all around good. I mean, it's a little slower than you're used to if you're a PS3 user or an Xbox 360 user or a computer gamer. It doesn't have the quick response between the time that you press and the time that the synchronization of the, I guess you could say, of the button presses to the actual gaming is not right on, but you get used to it. It's not that much of a difference. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's absolutely free. And the way it works, once you get signed up, you can go right here to Arena. And you can see this is, when this loads up, this is all people that are playing currently live right now. So when you see this guy's about to snipe someone, that's someone playing at this exact moment. So you can either watch them or you can join them if you have that game already paid for and downloaded. It's just one of the full features. I'm not quite sure if you can do that in the free trial version. They have a bunch of different games, and there's usually a good handful of people on here. It just takes a second to load up. So there's usually a good bit of people on there, and it's a live community, so there's obviously competitive play and stuff like that in certain games. So I'll go back over to here. We go over to Marketplace. And there we go, the featured section is now loaded up. So I'll go ahead and find, this is one of the better games, Dirt 3. As you can see, it's $5.99 for a 3-day, $49.99 to buy the regular game, 5-day, or you can just get the free trial for a few minutes and try it out. That's what we're going to go ahead and do, free trial. Now, if you can hear, the sound is a little spotty, but it starts to get better as the game continues. And it just takes a couple seconds to load up. It's pretty convenient, and like I said, it adds a whole world of different games to your OUYA. And here it goes, starting up. Just gives you a whole bunch more options than just the Discover store. This is Dirt 3. I think this came out in 2011. Okay, so here's a little bit of gameplay. I went ahead and set it all up. It takes a few minutes to get it set up, so just be patient, and eventually you'll get it. If your internet connection isn't as good, you might not even want to try this service because it's fully dependent on your internet connection. So there's just a ton of different games on here, and there's a few different cool features about it. Not everything works perfect. Again, you're going to have some problems depending on your internet connection and depending on how well you can adjust to the difference in when you press the buttons and when they actually do what it is you want the game to do. So depending on how well you can deal with that and your signal, and versus, of course, plus the OUYA is not as powerful as a PlayStation or as a computer. So, but there's still a lot of things you can do with this service, and you know, it's just something to add in addition to what you already have on your OUYA. Like I said, you can go to the arena area and you can just choose to watch. If you want, you can just select that and go right into the game and watch someone play. See if you like the game, and if you do, you can go ahead and try it out or join them, I'm sure, in some cases, in some games. And if you did buy the game, then you can pretty much join anybody or do anything. You have fully unlocked, well, privileges on the game if you purchase it fully. Alright, so tell me what you guys think of this new online service in the comment section. Is it working right for you, or are you having problems adjusting to the difference in the button press, lag, and whatnot? Is it just not working out for you, or are you loving it? Let me know. Also, go over to our Facebook page, facebook.com/CHARGEDiOS, and don't forget to click like. Also, click like on our video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.